Be sharing a quick vlog of this World Heritage Site, UNESCO Heritage Site, which is a town or a small place called Morra in north of Italy. And what a beautiful town this is. So enjoy the scenery and be part of the journey. Nice, lovely cobbled streets. The history here must be amazing. I wonder what we've got going on over there. Looks like some people are having some fun. A band going on here. Some locals and tourists. Ah, that old building there looks lovely. Cobbled stones are just so lovely. Let's go down there. Lovely building here. Love those shutters. Looks a bit derelict on the ground floor. Abandoned. And then as we turn here, oh my gosh, what a view. Ah, look at these walls. They look so nice. The colour against the backdrop there just looks like a piece of art. Not too sure about the truck, but let's have a look at this view. Ah, beautiful Italy. Having these terracotta tiles here on the roofs of these old houses. Inspiration for some of the projects that we're going to be doing in London. And that greenery just looks absolutely stunning. Imagine this on a summer's day with a blue sky. Ah, just eating strawberries. Look at these steps. We should climb up there in a moment and look at that roof hanging over there. Lines are just lovely. You can see why this is a UNESCO site. Look at this house. If that was in Primrose Hill or Notting Hill, London, that would be about £15 million. And those two pink ones, brother and sister, husband and wife. Ah, lovely. Just look at beautiful wisteria and these roses. Oh my gosh, looks lovely. And then look at that view. Loving the detail on this letterbox. Look at that. Got to appreciate that. Look at those metal bolts there. Look how old this door is. Wow. Fantastico. Narrow stretch here. Lovely. Detail on this pipe. Look at this going all the way up. Lovely building, but then look at this detail here. How you've got the pipe at the bottom in this recess. I wonder why they've done that, but it looks very neat. Loving it. Beautiful brickwork on this. Apparently built by the Felletti family. Dates back to the 18th century. Wonder what the story is behind this. Look at the bark on this tree here, with all the roots subdividing and going into the ground. What a gate. What a wall. What a view. Oh, look at this derelict building. No entry, which means it's probably protected. And then next door, we've got a new house and then a few other houses as well. What are these? Very interesting. Here we are back at the information centre, and just at the end there is where we were. Just sharing this beautiful part of the world with you, so I hope you've enjoyed. Stay tuned.